Hey guys, this is your friend Manal from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel and another video tutorial on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in today's video, we'll discuss how to check the modifiers or you can call the factors in the loads which have been generated in Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, if you want to know how to manually generate load combinations and import it from MS Excel, you can just go to our comment box and just check the video on how to import load combinations in Tekla Structural Designer. We already know how to generate load combinations automatically. So I'll just share my screen right now. As you can see, we have here this interface of the software in which all the load combinations have been generated. Now let me just go to loads, and to the load combination we have this types of load combinations which have been generated. Now if we want, we can just you click on generate, the process by which we have to generate these combinations, the automatic for once, just next, and then we have selected the load combinations which you want. It is according to the Indian code. This is for the limit state method. So like this, we had generated this load combinations. Now, if you want to check this load combinations, you can simply go to any one of the load combinations. We have here 1.5 dead load plus live load. So dead load is broken into certain categories. It is divided into certain categories like self weight, self weight of slab, service load. So these and the dead load itself, these all are dead load, and uh, imposed load is live load. So it is basically the combination of 1.5 dead load plus live load. Like that, if you just see any seismic load combination, so this is basically 1.5 dead load plus live load. Sorry, this is 1.5 dead load plus seismic load in X direction. Similarly, we have here 1.5 dead load plus live load plus minus 6 seismic load in Y direction. So like this, we have the modifiers or in your particular load combinations which have been generated in Tekla Structural Design. We can edit this. Suppose we want to make this 1.1.2, we can just simply change it like this. You can simply click on this, and we need to single click on this, and then we can change this load combinations. I don't want it now. Okay, so and if you want to generate any new combinations, you can also do that. You can just simply go to the combinations and then you can add a combination. Let's say I'll make this combination, I'll name this combination name. Let me give it 1.2 DL plus LL plus minus SLX or SL1, whichever we can say. So here I can just go here. So I'll first of add all the combinations. So seismic one is our SLX here, and imposed load, service load, and dead load. So suppose we want to add here 1.2 dead load plus live load plus minus or SLX. So I'll just change the factor of it to 1.2, 1.2. It's already 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, and 1.2. And if we want to add the seismic torsion as well, you can also do that. So it is 1.2 dead load plus live load plus seismic load in X direction. We have generated this. We can click on OK, and your combination is ready. So we can just manually just import or make all the load combinations here in Tekla Structural Designer software, and we can also import it from Excel as we have shown in another video, which you'll find in the link in the comment box. Now if we want to change the code type, what will you do? So many viewers have asked how can we add modifiers as per as ACI code or American codes in Tekla Structural Designer. So for that, you simply need to go to home and then your model settings, and in here you can just change the codes to ACI, and you can see the respective codes for your loadings, which in the years also you can change. If you want updated codes, you can go to 2016. So like this, you can just change the codes and just click on OK and yes. And then after that, if we just want to add check the modifiers as per the ACI code or not, as you can see here, we can go to the loading options and then the load combinations, and let's generate some load combinations here. Generate as per the AHD, and we have here Notional load factor also, you can just take a factor of notional load. You can just take 1.1, 1.1, 0.9, whatever you want to take. You can just change this 1.1 say, and then you can just click on finish. So afterwards, if you want to just check or change the values of this modifier, you can do this. It's the same process. Suppose I want this as 1.2, or uh, I'm just showing how can we change this values of the modifiers, or it is the best that you can, if you want to import it from MS Excel as well, you can also do that. So in this way, we can just change the values of the modifiers in the loadings as per IS code, and also as per your ACI code. And if we want, we can generate load combinations manually, or if you want to generate it by or import it from MS Excel, you can also do that. Just watch the video in the description. So friends, that's all for today. And if you want advanced training from us on Tekla Structural Designer or any other software related to civil engineering, you can go to the description and you can check, register using the link which has been given below. And you can also drop a message in WhatsApp in the contact which has been given. So friends, see you in the next video. Keep asking your doubts here in our comment box. Whatever doubts we have on Tekla structures, ETABS, STAT Pro, any software related to civil engineering, you can ask your doubts here. So this is your friend Manak. Bye for today.